In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Calendar shortcut on desktop if you check your schedule often. Having a shortcut on your desktop lets you open your calendar with a quick double click, saving time and keeping you focused. Start by opening your browser and going to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to use for this shortcut. If you juggle multiple accounts, confirm the correct one is selected so the shortcut always takes you to the right calendar. Choose the view you prefer, day, week, or month, so the page loads the way you like it whenever you use the shortcut. Now copy the calendar link from the address bar. Click in the address bar to highlight the full URL. Pressing Ctrl+L is a quick way to select it, and copy it. This exact URL is what your shortcut will open, which helps it land on the correct account and view every time. Head to your desktop. You can minimize your windows or press the Windows key +D to show the desktop instantly. On an empty area of the desktop, right-click to open the context menu. From there, choose New, and then select Shortcut. This opens the Create Shortcut window. In the box that asks for the location of the item, paste the URL you just copied. You can press Ctrl+V to paste. You should see a link that starts with HTTPS and includes calendar.google.com. The shortcut will open in your default browser, so if you want it to open in a specific one, set that browser as default before you finish. Click Next. When prompted to name the shortcut, type something clear and recognizable, such as Google Calendar or My Calendar. This is the label that appears under the icon on your desktop, so pick a name that stands out and makes sense to you. Click Finish. You'll see a new icon on your desktop with the name you chose. From now on, opening it will launch your browser and take you straight to your Google Calendar page. You can drag the icon to a convenient spot on the desktop or keep it inside a folder if you prefer a cleaner look. That's all you need to create a Google Calendar desktop shortcut. You've set up a fast, reliable way to jump directly into your schedule without typing a web address or digging through bookmarks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with your new shortcut.